mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. November 20, 2024, Wednesday Racing. Umpisa ng karera, as usual, alas 5 ng hapon. Muli, meron tayong 7 races. Tanging race 1 lang ang 1,400. Yung race 2 hanggang 7, last race, ay may distansyang 1,200 meter. Race number 1 is ang 2-year-old maiden race. First and only choice number 1, Gray Galloper, Sunset Beauty. Dito sa race 2, ang ating cool first choice number 5, Malibo Bell. Second choice number 1, Golden Aria. Race 3, first choice number 2, West of the East. Tama-tama ang distansya, 1,200. Second choice, konti lang ang entries kaya malamang na makasabay. Second choice natin, number 5, You Never Know. Race 4, first choice number 3, Kalangaman Island. Second choice number 6, Winter Fury. Third choice number 5, Sky Lover. Race 5, first choice number 3, Taipan 1. Malinaw naman na pagtitingnan natin ito, Solo Aire. Walang lucha. Second choice number 2, Lightning Bolt. Third choice number 4, Adorable Felicia. Race 6, first choice number 3, Star of the Future. Second choice, ang malamang na bandera dito, number 2, Sound of Silence. Race 7, last race. Medyo kakaiba ngayong araw na ito. Sa race 7, Pentapecta at Super 6 event sa isang karera. First choice natin, number 2, Princess Belle. Second choice, number 8, Ice on Sunrise. Third choice, number 4, Iyakapin Mo Ako. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!